talk to a group that's helping Arizonans buy homes while also giving back to the community. Here to tell us more is Christian with Home Sweet Loans. Thanks for joining us this afternoon.
Thank you, Vanessa.
Okay, so the Summer of a Million Meals campaign just wrapped up and you helped out. So how did you get involved with it and what was it like?
Yeah, so I started my journey with United Food Bank a couple of years ago, initially through the Mesa Chamber of Commerce. Started volunteering with them and then brought my family along. We did the hydration challenge with them and then brought my family along to fill food bags a number of times. And then once the kids realized every time they were filling a bag, they were feeding a family, it became a competition to see who could feed the most families.
Yes.
We've gone back a number of times and even brought friends along. Once I realized that dollar for dollar they can buy more food than I can possibly supply with any food drives of my own, it became a no-brainer to support them in that way.
Yeah, for sure. And what a neat experience to get your family involved as well.
Yeah.
Okay, so how else does Home Sweet Loans give back to the community besides the United Food Bank?
Including United Food Bank, we also give back to St. Jude's Children's Hospital, some local animal shelters and rescues, and a few other charities. We take a piece back from every loan that we close to give back to charities whenever we can. My family was the recipient of some help in my formative years, so. It not only makes sense, it feels like a duty to the community.
Yeah, so you know what it's like, so you feel like it's important to give back.
1000%.
All right. So if someone doesn't know about Home Sweet Loans, what makes you different from other lenders?
So working with borrowers to educate and inform them is really my highest priority. This is the biggest purchase in anybody's life, presumably, right?
Right.
So helping them understand everything that they're doing through the course of their mortgage and then how this works beyond after they close is really the most important thing to me.
And it's really important that they trust you, right? And they really get to know you because you said this is a really big purchase.
Yeah, this is a lifelong relationship I want with them. So yeah, absolutely.
Okay, so should people, this is a big question, okay? So should people wait for mortgage rates to come down before buying their next home? I hear this all the time. People are talking about it.
Okay, I'm going to shock you right now.
Okay.
No, they shouldn't wait. And here's why.
Okay.
A lot of people are sitting on the sidelines right now waiting for rates to come down thinking that we're going to see 3% again. We're not. So with not a lot of competition on the market, they should look to buy right now or soon. My rule is if you're going to stay in your community for 2 years at least, you should look to purchase. The reason being, again, there's less competition right now. And then if you wait a year, year and a half, 2 years for rates to come down, you will pay a lot more for that house then. When rates do come down, a lot more folks will jump back into the market. You'll see multiple offers at that time. And you'll pay more for your house, and you will have lost out on that appreciation time you will have had from owning the house.
Yeah, and you said people can also just refinance later when the rates go down, right, instead?
Yes, they'll have the opportunity to refinance later.
Okay, well, there you go. You have your answer. Buy it now. Thank you so much for joining us this afternoon and sharing all that information.
Absolutely.
And if you want to learn more information, go ahead and visit the website there at the bottom of your screen.